Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball Blue Days Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. This is going to be a very interesting video series. This is going to be a three-part video series, and I've had some questions over the years about how I make my content and what kind of cameras I'm using. And actually, for the last 2 years, every single YouTube video that I've made has been made on my iPhone. You guys are being filmed right now on an iPhone. I don't know if that's hard to believe or not, but what I want to do is I want to walk you through the making the actual videos, making YouTube videos on your phone. That's going to be a two-part series. But this very first episode, what I want to do is I want to show you guys how to take your YouTube footage that is typically filmed in the horizontal position, and I want to show you how to edit it on your smartphone. I'm sure it's going to be a little bit different depending on the phone that you have, but I'm going to show you guys how I edit my YouTube video that's typically in this type of format, this horizontal format, to turn it into a vertical format. Because what I've learned over the last couple of years is, especially TikTok, with Instagram Reels, and now these YouTube Shorts are really starting to take off. You want to make sure that it's visually appealing, and a lot of the videos in the horizontal mode just aren't that appealing. So you guys, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone, whichever one it is, and I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how I make Instagram content, TikTok content, YouTube Shorts, all with just using my YouTube video clips. And then what we're going to do is the next two videos are going to be how I edit my videos, how I smash them together using iMovie, then how I upload them to YouTube, and then how I actually do my editing in YouTube. So stick around with me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and let me show you how I make all of my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short form videos using my YouTube videos. So stay tuned. If you're like me and most of your social media content, let's say Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, if you're a content creator and you're making this content from your YouTube videos, this is going to definitely apply to you. So when you video in the horizontal position, this is what it looks like while you're filming. But then when you go to put this kind of content on social media, you get these, this black box on the top and bottom. And visually, I don't think the algorithm likes this, and it's just not as appealing as if the video is in a vertical form. So what I want to do is show you with an iPhone, I think this is an iPhone 11, how I take this YouTube content. So I made this with my iPhone on my tripod, and we can just, watch real quick. This is me catching a bass this past spring from one of my videos. If I can, I will leave the link to that video over here so you guys can check that out. So if I post this on social media right now, it's not going to look that good. You can see I got the mic right here in the corner, right? And again, it's in this widescreen format. So what we want to do is we want to edit it. So you see in the upper right hand corner, there's this edit button. If we push edit, you're going to come down here and you're going to see this like little square rectangle looking thing, and it's got to rotate on it. You're going to click that. And once you do that, it's going to bring up this box in the upper right hand corner. You see that? You click on that box, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you options to change the format. Okay, whoops. Let's start over again. So you've got this original, this freeform, this square, and you can see you've got horizontal setting and you've got this vertical setting. Well, just from past experience, I know that we want this 16.9, and then we want to click on the vertical position. So you can see how it is zoomed in on it, okay? Now what you can do here is you can actually move the video and the content. So you want to make sure, because like my camera's a little bit to the left here, so if I just were to leave it as the setting as it was, it might just get that, but I want to make sure that I get me and the fish in this video. So let's just see if this actually works. So we're going to hit done. So you can see I'm over here on the far left hand side now. You're not going to be able to see the hook set, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this down so that you can actually just see this portion right here. There you go. See? Now we've just made Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. We've just made that content with our YouTube videos. So again, when you film in the horizontal position, the view is going to be different, and you can always revert back. That is one of the nice things. So if you have a smartphone, I'm sure you can do this. Again, I just use my iPhones, and that's really, again, how I make all my content. So what we can do is I can actually go to, let's see if I have one that's not. Here, I'll revert this one back. So we'll click revert to original. Okay, so you can see it's in that horizontal format. So let's go to Instagram real quick, and let's try to make a Reels from the horizontal video, and let's see what that looks like. So here you go. Look at that's what it looks like. Okay, not really visually appealing, but if we use the horizontal content that we just made, or the vertical content, sorry. Give it a second. It's a little bit longer of a video. Now we can just shorten this video up. We can edit it down here so that all you're seeing is this short clip right there. So that's it. That's as hard as it is to make Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts content with your YouTube content. And this is how I make all of mine, because guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I know there's a lot of people make some funny videos and they make a lot of content at home and stuff. And yeah, a lot of the fishing content you guys get from me is made for my YouTube videos. So that's how I do it. Well, I really hope you all enjoyed. See, I got to fix the camera. It's the only problem using these phones. You got to try to get it there. Maybe that's better. Hopefully that's better. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this really short video on how I take all my YouTube content that is filmed in the horizontal position on my iPhone and I convert it to a vertical format for social media. So take the extra time to do that, because again, I don't know if the algorithm can see that it's not in the right position, but I've just, the content creators that I follow that actually help content creators get more exposure and more reach, they talk about that visual appeal, how much the vertical looks better than the horizontal when you're making, your YouTube shorts, your TikToks, or your Instagram reels. So what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm actually going to show you guys how I'm going to edit this actual video on my phone, how I use a software called iMovie, and then how I upload it to YouTube, and then how I do my edits on YouTube. So stay tuned. You guys are going to want to miss that next episode. So again, I really do appreciate all the support. Thanks for all the comments. Let me know if you guys like this kind of content. Leave a thumbs up if you want me to show you some other tips and tricks on some of the different camera equipment and stuff that I use, my mics, my tripod, my lighting. Let me know if you guys want to see that stuff, because I would love to share all that stuff with you if it's going to help you guys out make better content. So again, thank you so much for all your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the next video.